What comes to your mind when I say mint, the herb or minting money? If it's the later, you'll be pleased to know that Mint, a personal finance service company, went from serving 0 to 1 million customers in just 6 months, bringing reliable applications for good financial assistance to everyone. But how did they manage such incredible growth? We will find out in this episode, Tech Deep Dive. Hi there, I'm Cédric Bollag and this is Tech Deep Dive, where we look at the biggest VCs, startups and disruptors in the tech space and examine their impact. And today we're talking about Mint and how they went from 0 to 1 million users in 6 months. Let's dive into their main techniques. Number 1, setting measured deadlines. The first step towards the goal is to set an achievable goal for a measurable deadline. The company made a goal to reach 100,000 users in 6 months. Instead of blindly focusing on something far from reality, they said what they felt was realistic and gave themselves a proper timeline to achieve their goal. Number 2, know your customers. Yes, it's important to know who your actual customers are and plan your strategies according to that. Even if you feel like your service is useful to everyone in the world, that's not actually true. Your startup isn't for everyone. So instead of spending time and money on people who aren't suited to your idea, specify your ideal customer and their specific needs. By that, you can see productive, visible growth in the company. Meet a lot of people, talk to people. Talking to more people gives you the potential to find out the right customers and what your customers want from you. And once you have that down, number 3, attract the right people. Even if you haven't created a product yet, make sure you create the right hype. When the product comes out, it will already have demand in the market and you will already be a topic of conversation in the market. Knowing how to sell a product that is still in the development stage is key. It is essential to let your audience know there is a solution coming to their problems and that solution is your product. Number 4, create useful products. Once you have done the perfect marketing for the yet-to-come product, it is your responsibility to keep up the hype you have developed by following through on your promises. If you're hitting all your targets and providing all the features you claimed, words will spread and bring you success beyond what you ever planned for. And of course, number 5, plan for the future. Mint is currently taking baby steps towards its future pursuits in a giant market. They have shifted from the use of tools like cloud and artificial intelligence to improve efficiency and customer experience. The growth of any company isn't just a random pick or a one-day achievement. It holds various tactics and strategies implemented behind the screen. Honestly, the future is filled with uncertainties, but staying grounded in creating a good strategy for product development and marketing is a surefire way to scale. It will be fun to see what else Mint is cooking for the future. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday on topics about startups, venture capital and new and upcoming technologies. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notified when we upload, and I'll see you on Monday.